Hi everyone, welcome to HouseTalks. Today's episode is about garden bed edging, type of the garden beds, how much it's going to cost. So I just want to share the details. So when I did the garden bed edging wall for my lawn, I just went with the material which mostly suits for my exterior. But during that process, I did my search with a couple of options and all. I just wanted to share that what are the types of edging materials are there and how much it's going to cost. And not only that, I had a chance to discuss with a couple of my friends who had done the edging for their home, and talk to a few neighbors in the community to ask just they are using different kind of materials. So I just want to get gather the information and share. I think it's really helpful for you if you are planning to do the garden bed edging, retaining wall and all. So basically the garden bed edging, you can go with the metal, plastic and all, but I just want to cover with mostly with concrete block and the stones. So I just want to share different levels, like the project cost for like $1,000 to $2,000 range, and $2,000 to $4,000 range, and $4,000 above. So I'll give the what kind of the materials and how much it's going to cost, and an average for 100 square feet garden bed area. So I hope you will get an idea definitely after watching this video. If you are watching HouseTalks channel for the first time, please subscribe to HouseTalks channel, and thank you for all the subscribers who subscribed already for their continued support. So let's get into the topic.